how to customize this start button on your wheel. Alright, so now if you press the start button, it will automatically turn on or turn off the air condition. Let me show you again. Now we just turn on the air condition. Let's press start button again. You just turn on the air condition. But you can easily customize this button. All you need to do is go to your car settings. So let's open this blue icon right here. Select here vehicle settings and scroll down to see this steel wheel start button customization. Let's just tap it here, and as you can see, you can use it for the camera if you press this 360-degree AVM. And now if you press the start button, you will open the camera. Press start button again, you will close the camera, and you can also choose here play and pause to use it for your music. But in my case, let me go back to air conditioner. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.